Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And the other day I made a video by taking a letter, pretty much any letter, because the E would be kind of the most difficult maybe, and left click, right clicking it, turning it into a curve, and then add circles to that curve by a macro by a friend of mine, internet friend of mine called Eskimo. And all you do is create circles. And you can change the size of the circle, the distance between the circles, and then you just select it all and go up to object and group and ungroup, and then take away your line. And for some reason, it's a little bit off, like these circles aren't perfect, but you could always, because they're so close, you could select them and hit T for top. Go through here and get all the lines that are like that, and doesn't take very long. Now, on a curve item, that probably you wouldn't have to do this because it's a curved item, but real quickly you could just go top, and then along these you could go L for left or any which way, but just don't try not to get some of those other lines, But that's not what the video is about. I'm just trying to get them all kind of looking the same. What the video is about, somebody asked on my video, is there a macro you could do it other than a circle? Well, there's not, and there's one other way. So Eskimo's macros are free, there'll be a link to his site at the bottom of the video, but then there's by Monster Macros, E-cuts, and I did a video about this the other day, or it's actually macromonster.com, E-cuts, and I open up E-cuts, and E-cuts has basically a find and replace on shapes. So somebody asked if you could do another shape than, just the circles. Well, I'm sure Eskimo will get back to me. I might send him this video. He has a program that'll do it, but I can't quite figure out, called Match Vector. So we got a star about the right size. So now what we're going to do, having trouble with zooming in and out because I got so much stuff in the way. All you do with this program is set your vector or set your shape, and then make sure you encompass all your circles and replace with master shape. Now you have stars where you had circles. And then I'm sure you could all fill them in with black, take away the hairline, and you have stars around any shape, a curved line, a square, a circle. This E is kind of throwing it to the mac. And what is so neat about Eskimo's macro, it puts them in the corners. Every one of them is in the corner. Like those three stars look like they're off. All you do is have to hit L and put them in a perfect line. And so hopefully stay tuned for another video when I figure out how to use his Mac vectors. I just can't figure out the quickest way. I know it can be done, but that is, you could put any shape into that scenario. I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.